So the Maverick is needed yet again to clear up this confusion relating to what true sporting greatness entails. I've come up with 3 factors to consider when evaluating greatness, whether in individual sports or in team sports. The first and most important thing is the body of work, which is a record of top-level performances over time. The next thing is winning. The essence and objective of all sporting activity is competing to win titles and trophies. So that must be a factor. The next component is big performances in big moments. One of the most underrated dynamics of genuine sporting greatness is that knack of seizing big moments. So there you have it. Any sportsman or sportswoman who conquer these 3 categories cannot be denied true sporting greatness. Some might have the body of work, but short on titles and big occasion performances. Others have the titles and big performances, but don't have the body of work. Some are moderate in all 3 categories. That is why you have different levels of sporting greatness. But think about it. All the genuine greats in sports, the ones who can credibly be considered the greatest of all time in their respective sport, every single one of them, barring none, have conquered all 3 categories. They have a solid body of work, they have titles and trophies, and are brilliant at seizing big moments. So that should be the final settlement of the greatness argument, all courtesy of Maverick the Great.